Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's your girl Zoe, aka Jumped Off, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a little quick slick bun type look, and talking to you guys a little bit. I just want to thank you guys so much for 50K, and I love you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are the greatest supporters I've ever had. Before I knew that this was gonna get this big, I just wanted to reach out to you guys who did relate, and I didn't think I was gonna relate to so many people. Like, we're here for each other now, and it makes me like so happy that you guys feel like family to me, because I don't have friends. Only friend I really have is my man, and to be able to just interact with you guys is a blessing for me. Like, I feel like I have someone to vent to and stuff, you know? And whenever you guys need me, I could talk to you guys, and it makes me feel happy because I have people who look up to me, because you guys like how I handled the situation, and you guys said that you would never be able to handle it as well as I did. On that note, I wanted to also say, people who want to know what's going on and stuff, I still have yet to get all of my things from her house. I literally just, I guess you could say, in fear of what the heck she was gonna do to me, because she did threaten me. I just stopped going back to her house after she kicked me out. A majority of my belongings are there. My first video was honestly, I intended to do my shoe collection and a fact about me for each shoe, but all of my shoes are there. All majority of them is there. Also, I have someone on my channel who has been informing my mother about the videos I've been posting. So that's another reason why I haven't really spoken upon her, because not only are my belongings still in her vicinity, I just don't like, I know how my mom is, and I just rather just avoid a bigger problem until I'm completely like free of her from my life. Then I will continue to speak upon it, because I know so many people need to hear it. She did read comments, and she does feel, it did make her feel like crap. Also, the reason why I did so many things, and I mentioned in my Q&A, like, I sing, I dance, I used to box. The reason why I've done so many things such as that is because I was constantly looking for confirmation from my mom. Like, I constantly wanted her to see, like, look, I'm doing this, look, I'm doing that, like, look at me. I was constantly doing that, like, and I was a grade A student. Like, I was so smart. I am smart. I meant, like, book-wise. Like, I did so good in school, but she wasn't really around. She wasn't around, like, ever, like, during the school year and stuff. She didn't know, like, all the good things I was doing. To this day, she doesn't know that I did cheerleading, that I did gymnastics. She doesn't know. I don't know if she knows that I was in choir, but I know the reason why, because my first dream ever was to be a singer. I used to write songs. I've been writing songs since I was really small. Like, since I learned how to talk, I've been writing songs. And the reason why I stopped for so long is because she told me that I couldn't sing. She straight up told me, you can't sing. Mind you, I was in choir, and I was one of the top singers in my class. But I mean, so yeah, it did have a huge effect on me. It's the reason why now I still don't really have anything going for myself. Well, I do, but like, I haven't set myself to one thing, because every time I brought something I liked or wanted to pursue to her, she turned me down. It's hard, and I just wanted to tell you guys that I understand you guys, like, who have been through the same thing, who have toxic parents who constantly put you guys down. I know how it feels. I know how it feels to feel like you're constant, like, you did something wrong, like, but you didn't. It's not you, it's them. So don't let it faze you. And the only reason why I'm not gonna continue speaking about her on my channel is because she does and has seen my videos, and to me, honestly, I don't care, because if you didn't want the world to hear these words come out of your mouth, then you should have never said them. I went so many years being suicidal because of it. I'm 21, so this has been 5 years. 5 years of dealing with a lot of verbal, mental, physical abuse. And growing up, I did get verbal abuse, but it wasn't really like, I mean, it was extreme for me as a child because like I didn't understand why I was being told, oh, you're gonna be just like your mother. And I didn't even know I didn't know about my mother. Like, I knew my mother, but I didn't know like what she was about, like what she was doing. I didn't know nothing about her then. I was still a child, so I didn't understand. So her mom used to tell me those things. My grandma used to, like, whenever she would get upset with me. Children get into so many things, so I can only imagine what, I mean, I was a good kid, but my grandma would get frustrated really fast. But it was more physical than verbal with my grandma. It was verbal a lot, but it was more physical with her but like, I thought it was normal. Like, you do bad things, you get your butt beat. I didn't do anything bad. I would just like say I spilled juice or something. Or it's just things like that children get into. Honestly, I would rather that. I've dealt with it so much growing up. I would rather get hit than to get yelled at. But yeah, so going from physical abuse to then verbal and physical abuse like every day for 5 years has been a lot, and that's the reason why I ended up just posting the video, because I ended up learning that there are a few people out there who deal with the same things. And then after I posted it, I realized so many of you guys can relate. So yeah, that's why I posted. I didn't post it for any type of attention or anything. I just wanted to reach out, and I said that in my Q&A. All my supporters know what it's about, and I'm here for you guys. So yeah, I want to bring you guys a lot more content, but it's been a little hard. I'm trying my best for you guys, and you guys are here with me. So yeah, gonna get right into the video. Thank you guys so much for 50K again. I love you guys so much. You guys are amazing, and just stay tuned. Keep on watching to see how I do my hair.
Good morning, guys. This one's for Brittany because Brittany loves my fish, so I'm gonna include it into my video today. So yeah, let's go do that. That's Scarface. Hey boy. Those don't even have names, but they're cool. I also have Loco. He's a snail. And I have more schoolfish. Oh, he just wants to be in the whole ass video. What's up? Then I got thing 1. And thing 2 is somewhere over there. Buju and Benobi are back there, and so is Leonardo, and I don't know where's Machiavelli. Oh, Machiavelli's over there. I don't know if you can see him. Machiavelli's back there. Machiavelli and Leonardo have been together for a few days now. And then Tigger just went over there. Oh, why do they just keep hiding? Tigger's over there. I don't know what Spice is at. But yeah, these are my fish. This is the tank. And I'm gonna feed them. Because that's how I start my days. So let's go do that. Wait, where'd it go? Hi! So now they're nice and fed. Now they're alive. You can see them. Leonardo and Machiavelli eat those wafers, which are these Pleco wafers because they're Plecos, and then the rest of the fish eat tropical flakes. My hair's a mess. First thing I'm gonna do is take this brush. It says brush strokes on it. This is meant to be a wave brush, I think. It looks like this. Please don't look at my brush. First, make sure you got a sponge. There we go. I got it on you. So yeah, just take. I usually use 2 just to make sure it's secure. And I'm just gonna use 1. If you feel like it's not getting smooth enough, take a comb like this, and make sure you comb down that part. I usually don't comb the end of my hair because I like to keep it poofy to make the bun have a lot of volume. And yeah. So yeah, I use the comb till I get everything flat, completely flat, and then I smooth it out with the brush. And then do that on both sides. So this is the gel that I usually use, and it is the Eco Professional Styling Gel, and it is the olive oil shea butter with black castor oil and flaxseed. And it's alcohol free. It doesn't get too hard and doesn't flake or anything, so just brush my hair back. my sideburns out. Then what I do is I take the bun, right? I put the bun, like, I push it with my hand like that. Push my hand against it and like make a ball with your other hand. And then I take the money and I wrap it. I don't know if you guys saw what I just did. But yeah. Then, basically it makes like a little mini donut bun. And then I spread it apart. And then this is where I usually put another monio to make it like nice and neat. So let me turn around so you can see the bun. That's how it should look. Now is when I take my gel. So, take this. There's always a little bit on the cap, so I take that with like 2 fingers. Like, yes! And then I put it around the perimeter of my hair. Just a little bit, not too much. This has a comb side. I take that and I comb the hair down. Just, oh, I'm not even in the view. All right, now I am watching. Two pins, and then I take this, my little sideburn, right, and the longest part, I tuck it into my bun.
Do the same thing on the other side. This is my diamond brush.
So that's how I get my little slick bun back with my edges done and part down the middle. That's how I do that with my little Jerry curl sideburn. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay, so I did a quick little eyeliner. Usually first thing before I do anything, I'll use some Mario Badescu. Even if I don't have makeup on or anything, like as you see now, I have brows and eyeliner. I have the Morphe by Jeffree Star setting spray. It smells like strawberries. It's so good. So yeah, I just shake that up real quick and then just spray it like that. It smells amazing. I love the smell of strawberries. Strawberry. Y'all need to get y'all some of this. This is the Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. If you don't like Jeffree Star, then I don't know. I've been a Jeffree Star fan since he was making music on Facebook. Like, that's how die-hard fan of Jeffree Star I am. But yeah, so that's just what I do. And that Mario Badescu makes me look really, really glowy. I don't need nothing but some lip gloss. So yeah, that's my lazy girl type look. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed to me. Also, comment with any other ideas that you guys want me to post. I have a few things to film for you guys this week. I'm gonna do another makeup look. Probably not today, but like tomorrow or something.